Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's episode my brother had these blister packs and we're gonna check them out. So let's get down to business and let's start this shit. Alright, so for these we got the Konami Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game Lightning Overdrive. So let's check this out. Also, I'm probably not going to be reading out these cards because I don't want tons of angry YouTubers out there saying I mispronounced their cards, their favorite Karibo cards. So, yeah. This should have came with a box cutter. Alright. Let's see. So we got some weird demon bat thingy. This looks like that Cubone, or not the Cubone. What is that Pokemon? That what's the one that looks like Cypher but basically is the bug type? That looks like that. Now we got Starry Night Kale. AI Changing You. Weird trap. Cool dinosaur. Looks like a zombie dinosaur with robot parts. Like it. This one is a Link. Nope. Nope. You gotta pee pee papa? Hold on, 1 second. Alright guys, sorry about that, but I'm substituting for my brother. Let's see. Lightning Overdrive, okay. I wish I had nails. I really do. Man, these packets are on steroids today. This packets be taking them roids. Back off those pills. Come on, Konami. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see. I heard there's a bunch of starlights in this pack. So let's see. Star Night Clear, AI Change You, Scrap Raptor, Boo Boo Game, and I ain't pronouncing that. Something from Beetlejuice. Something from Beetlejuice, and the rest of the comments. Ooh, Guardian Sphinx. This is the retrain of it. They've retrained this card, so that's nice. Yeah. Okay. What's the next one? These packets are on roids, man. I see why they double seal them. People try to always take little cards off from in between them. This is already double sealed, if anything. Alright. You can already see a link. Cyber Werewolf. Ooh. Live Twin Kisa Kill Frost. And looks like something from Candyland. One by one. And the rest of the comments. Okay. I'm really looking for what is it? The Ruby Rose Dragon. That'll be nice. The Ruby Rose Dragon will be real good to have. I thought it was Rose Dragon. Okay. On to the last two packs. Let's see if we can get a Starlight. Oddish, not for. See if I can. And what's that? ZS Saga? Sage? The rest of the commons. the last pack. Let's see if we can get a Starlight Rare out of this last one.
Oh, Pegasus.
ZW Pegasus, Twin Wing, AI Change You.
Another one of those
Another
Pokemon.
Link. What is this? DDD.
Hey, isn't that like related to that dinosaur with the gun in the first season of Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yeah, I think so. Don't really know. 1x1s again. Always need some of those. Not really. Nice. I love this artwork. I'll be simping for these cards.
Can I keep the candy one?
You cannot, sir.
Oh.
So, no Starlight Rare, but at the most, maybe these two could be my favorite out of what I've pulled today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Not really good at this.
Neither am I.
This isn't my thing. But I do hope you guys did enjoy a laugh or two, or 5, or 20, whatever. But see you guys next time. Signing out.
Bye.